today, guys, we'll be carving a pumpkin for the fall. Guys, as you can see now, I'm getting the gunk out of this pumpkin. And I'm not going to say further more. Let's get into it, guys. Alright, guys, so we have gutted this pumpkin all the way out. Check it out, check it out. There's a couple seeds in there, but, you know, you feel the vibe, man. Oh, how does this go? There we go. Okay, let's get the carving this guy. Alright, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
You got me down again.
Alright, guys, so now we're done with the sketch, so I'm gonna get to cutting. Got this X-Acto knife right here, and we also have another knife right here.
Ay, fill in my pocket with legal tender, cost me to be the winner. Fly out before I can see the winner, no more TV dinners. Wake up and roll me a wood in the morning, I heard it go good with the vitamin C. Baby, you don't need no friend for this evening, believe me, you better all ride with me. Slide to the loo in my leisure, but still had to cop me a crib right outside of the D. I let them think what they wanted, cause I got bundles of bread, it ain't bothering me. I've been up late in the lab just in case you was looking, that's where I'ma probably be. Make sure you thought about all of that you saying before you done brought it to me. Brought all my soul to the masses, as soon as I dropped out of classes, I knew it was over. Lately I feel like I'm cashless and poverty made me a savage, just weight on my shoulder. Told my little baby the waiting is over, I showed her I'm really the man. All of these rappers be trying to send me they songs, I just told them to send me a band. All of my gon' turn up the function.
Dump in the jump for the shit, all top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like it. Yeah, I fantasize, tell me that it's real when it's all said and done. I said it how I feel it, I let them hear the fear of a passive aggressive angry black man with a passion. Steady grip while I shoot to the stars with a full clip. Trying line with a loose leaf, then I proofread till I lose sleep. Couldn't handle the truth when you're bed with the writing. Love at first sight shit, art over hype shit. Need a sound bite for the time capsule. Press play, they pause time for a bit. Smitten, I admit it, couldn't kick it. I'm in love with the fine print. Scribble type of shit they wouldn't find behind it. Why the suspicious behind the eyelid. Tell it reckless with the clauses. Careful it'll cost me. Need this shit forever, but I never ever stop until they put me in the coffin or they off me. Fuck niggas quick to auction, they false print. Always treat the shit with a caution. Hold it 10 toes down for the dogs, you can see the paw print. Searching for the answers in the bottom of the last strip of the handle. The beginning of the candle. Doing shit to myself, give me fears when I'm looking in the mirror. I'm seeing somebody else, yeah. Mi corazón es on my sleeve shoulder. The wrist thing and they rose gold, admire the glow from me. I couldn't pinpoint on the globe, that's why I wanted to go from it. Just know that I don't fit in, but I wanna feel it.
Guys, we are finally done. Look at this. This is just amazing. It's crazy, isn't it? Alright, so we have, I don't know the name of this character, but yeah, it's like some Halloween movie out there I seen. So we did that, and we carved my name on the side, Fix, right here. It's a diamond right here, and it's just a lot of detail put into this. A raindrop, all kinds of stuff going on here, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for another one. Yeah.